Okay, everybody, Mr. B here again to show you how to do the newest worksheet, plastics worksheet 10.1, and I'm going to do number 1 and number 2 for you right here. So first thing we got to do is, well, we got to figure out that a pentagon has 5 sides. And we know that from our notes, and also we should just know that because it's basically common sense. So if a regular pentagon has 5 sides and they want to know the sum of all interior angles, okay, then we use the formula that we learned that's on the study guide, and that formula is the sum equals 180 times n minus 2, but the n in this case is our 5, so it's going to be 180 times 3, which is 540. And number 2, we do the same way because we want to know the sum of all interior angles. Okay, so we're going to jump to number 2 here. This time my formula is going to involve 16 minus 2, which will be 180 times 14, which is, let me do this real quick, 2,520. Okay. I'm going to jump to the next section of problems. And number 11 here, it says they want to know how much one exterior angle in each polygon equals. Well, since all polygons all exterior angles equal 360. So no matter how many sides a polygon has, the exterior angles together equal 360. So to find out how much one exterior angle equals from a 14-sided polygon, you take the 360 and you divide by 14. And in this case, you're going to get a decimal, and that's going to be 25.7. So each angle, exterior angle in a 14-sided polygon equals 25.7 degrees. So I'm going to do number 12, but it's the same problem. This time it's 13 sides, so you take 360 and divide by 13. And I believe that's a decimal also. Yes, it's 27.7. So each exterior angle is 27.7 degrees in a 13-sided polygon. Now the next section of problems is just pictures of, so concave always means that the sides are actually caving in, so that's a good way to remember. So this is concave and 23 is convex because no sides are caving in, and I'll let you figure out 22 and 24. Now for the last section, 25, they want to know how much one interior angle equals. Okay, well, one interior angle, here's how you find it. All interior angles is found by using the formula that we learned today, which is 180 times n minus 2. So all interior angles is found by this, where n, 23, goes here. Well, to find one of those interior angles, after you find the total, so you do 180, whoops, sorry about that. You do 180 times 23 minus 2. That will equal 180 times 21, 3,780. Well, since that's the total sum of all interior angles, they want to know just how much does 1 equal. So you divide this number by 23 again, because there's 23 sides, which means there's 23 interior angles. So when you divide that by 23, you get 164.3, and that's your final answer. Alright, hopefully you use this The rest of the problems in this section are done the same way. See you tomorrow.